Every morning, something incredibly powerful sits quietly in kitchen cabinets across America. It's not a pill, it's not a supplement, and it costs less than a cup of coffee. Yet science now shows this tiny food can start changing your body within hours, not months. The shocking part? Almost everyone uses it the wrong way and gets almost none of the benefits. Today, I'll show you what really happens inside your body when you use it correctly, and why ancient civilizations trusted it with their lives. Welcome back to the channel, where real science meets real results. If you care about natural health, longevity, and simple habits that actually work, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, and comment below which country you're watching from. It's amazing to see how far this knowledge is spreading. Now let's talk about the seed that ancient warriors carried into battle.
Thousands of years ago, Aztec and Mayan civilizations valued these seeds so much, they were used as currency. They called them Chia, a word that literally means strength. Modern science now confirms something unbelievable. These seeds contain more concentrated nutrition than foods 10 times their size, more omega-3s per gram than salmon, more fiber than most vegetables, more calcium by weight than milk, all packed into something smaller than a pinhead.
Here's the problem. About 95% of people eat chia seeds completely wrong, sprinkling them dry on yogurt, adding them straight to smoothies, or swallowing them without preparation. Doing that is like trying to unlock a safe without the code. Your body simply cannot access their full power. Let me explain why. When chia seeds touch liquid, something incredible happens. They absorb up to 12 times their weight in water and form a gel-like layer called mucilage. This isn't just interesting, it's the key to everything. This gel protects delicate omega-3 fats from damage, slows digestion for steady energy, and improves nutrient absorption by up to 300%. Without this step, most benefits are lost. That's why research shows chia seeds must be soaked 15 to 20 minutes minimum before eating. Within hours of eating properly soaked chia seeds, hydration works differently. Instead of water flushing out in 2 to 3 hours, chia gel releases moisture slowly for up to 8 hours. This affects skin hydration and elasticity, joint lubrication, and brain function and focus. Many people notice clearer thinking and less stiffness the very next morning. Your body finally stays hydrated, not just temporarily filled. By day 2, digestion begins to change. Chia contains one of the highest fiber concentrations on Earth. The soluble fiber forms gel, controlling blood sugar. The insoluble fiber cleans the digestive tract gently. Result: less bloating, more regular bowel movements, and healthier gut bacteria. Since over 90% of serotonin is produced in the gut, many people even report better mood stability. Unlike most plant foods, chia is a complete protein. It contains all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce. By day 3, these amino acids support muscle recovery, brain neurotransmitters, and sleep quality. The slow-release gel ensures steady absorption, no energy crashes, no spikes. Chia seeds are loaded with ALA omega-3 fatty acids. By day 4, inflammation markers begin to drop. This often shows up as reduced joint stiffness, better workout recovery, smoother, healthier skin. Studies show inflammatory markers can drop by up to 40% within days. By day 5, blood sugar stability becomes obvious. Meals with chia seeds cause slower glucose absorption, fewer energy crashes, and reduced sugar cravings. Clinical research shows up to 39% lower post-meal blood sugar spikes. This is why many people naturally eat less without trying. 2 tablespoons of chia provide 18% daily calcium, magnesium for 300+ enzyme reactions, zinc for immunity, and phosphorus for energy production. By day 6, people often notice better sleep, less muscle tension, and more stable energy. All of this from just 2 tablespoons a day prepared the right way. Soak them, wait 15 to 20 minutes, let science do the rest. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe, because simple knowledge can change lives. See you in the next video.